behind all of this is the question of child rights and children in the media. And so the dialogue with journalists is about building skills to do the job correctly while trying to do a newsworthy story. How do you protect children's rights? The other objective is to try to build with them an understanding of what they would consider ethical standards. And also we had an opportunity today to dialogue with representatives of the government and to open the discussion a little bit about how do you regulate what media houses do in Belize. So it's kind of varied, but it's a first workshop in which we are basically trying to put all of the cards on the table, and then I think our goal is to narrow it down in future workshops to try and keep building the capacity.
Now, when we deal with children's issues, there are some areas and some media houses, but there are some areas that are very gray in the approach or the scope of the story. For example, if I can get an interview with a child victim of some assault in the presence and with the permission of a parent or guardian, of course the interview will be off camera. Who draws the line as to what makes it unethical or what makes it ethical, and how do we hold them responsible if it's found to be unethical?
Right, you know, this is the question of the ethical standards is an important one, and I think this is precisely what was being discussed this morning at a panel discussion here. CEO Wallace raised the issue of self-regulation, and that in a review of many countries have sort of put in place ways of self-regulating. I think that this deserves much more discussion, and currently what is being discussed is that there are situations that people find tricky. How do you protect a child in those circumstances, even with the consent of parents? Do you show a child's face? No. Don't you? And so on. The point is, sometimes the question really is what's in the best interest of the child. I think you need to ask the question about what's in the best interest of the child.
But who decides that? If the parent says I'm allowed to do that and yes, in their presence, then how can UNICEF tell me it's not in the best interest of the child?
Right. UNICEF isn't saying anything. What UNICEF is saying is that there is a convention. A child has rights to privacy and, yes, and confidentiality, and certainly we want to tell a story. What we are trying to get at is how do we tell that story and continue to respect child rights, because 22 years after Belize has signed the Convention on the Rights of the Child, we still are trying to build the institutional framework that would support the commitment that Belize has made. And so I think at this first stage here, and these are only the technical people from the the media houses. These are not the people who actually make the decision about guidelines or about what should be done. But pretty much all of them have indicated that within their media house, there is some level of guidance with respect to children, which we appreciate and which I think the government would appreciate, because they are trying to achieve the goal of the convention. What they are discussing and what we are trying to clarify is when we get into the detail, you know, you want to do an interview, how is that interview done? What type of question could you ask? You know, do you show the face of the child or not? But there's some mixed feelings in the room. Some people feel, well, it depends on the story, you know, and if it is a happy tragedy, a child is found after being lost, you know, do you show the face of the child because it's a good story? Does it have a negative impact? There are many nuances.
Depends.
Exactly, there are many nuances, and so this is what's being discussed, and that's why we say it's a question of dialoguing. And then at the end, I think it is the government to set the standards, and they have a broadcasting body, authority that will try to, I suppose, determine what the standards would be in Belize. It's not UNICEF to determine that. UNICEF is an advocate, and UNICEF is basically advocating while dialoguing with media.